I'm stood here in Rabu Shidi, a village in the city of Thatta. This city has also been devastated by the floods. Behind me you can see that there is static water. When there's static water, what happens then is that there's an outbreak of disease. Did you know that 3.4 million people die every year from waterborne disease? So to prevent deaths happening in a city, today we have introduced a mobile medical clinic to assess the medical needs of the people here. Behind me you can see a camp full of our female beneficiaries. Many of them have complained about skin disease, rashes, some of them have cholera and other issues. Before more disease spreads and takes the lives of these women and other people, we've got to do something about it.
मुंहिंजो नालो नाथी आहे। असीं रबो शिदे ॻोठ में ठाहियूं। पोइ बरसात एॾी पई जे असांजे घरनि में पाणी थी वियो। बरसात अची वई पोइ हुन में बीमारियूं किनू पाणी थी वियो, हुन में मच्छर थी वियो, हुन में बीमारी थी वई मलेरिया। पोइ बच्चो ॿार किरी पियो, आउं पाण बीमार थी वयसि, मूंखे पाण मलेरिया बीमारी थी वई।
So we've set up a medical camp with professional doctors and nurses in this city here, and what we're going to be doing is doing needs assessments, checking these patients and also giving them the right medicines to fight these diseases that they have or may occur.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर कतरीना हुसैन है। अभी तक हमने जितने भी कैंप किए हैं उनमें फ्लड के पानी की वजह से बहुत सी बीमारियों का हमें सामना करना पड़ा है। अगर हमें यहाँ पे कोई मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट इनको ना दी जाए तो इन बीमारियों की वजह से बहुत से लोगों की डेथ्स भी हो सकती हैं। जो प्रेग्नेंट फीमेल्स हैं उनके मिसकैरेजेस और अबॉर्शंस भी हो सकते हैं।
हाँ, डॉक्टर आया, हमने अपनी जा उन्हीं असांजो इलाज अची कयो आहे, जेके असांजे बच्चनि खे सुई दवा कमु अची।
This is just one of many villages that this vehicle will be going to, not just today, but over the next few weeks and months. All of this is only possible with your donations. Please, please, please keep donating and helping HumanAppeal to save lives and preventing death from waterborne diseases.